welcome back to Carol's Current Obsession. It's been a while, but as you know, the holidays get really busy around here. My family comes and we get a lot going. And as you can see in the background, I've got quite the mess working around me because we got a furnace in, which is really nice. We got a new gas furnace, and that's been quite a joy. And so I've got a lot of stuff to clear out. I've got 2 college kids that came back home because they're off track, and yeah, so it's been a little busy. One of the fun things that I have going though, in the meantime, my little off minutes, I was able to get another doll restored, and I just wanted to show her to you and show you a couple of other dolls that I'm working on to get restored. Let's get started. So you guys all know this really pretty doll. This is my Sweet Sue, and this is a new outfit that I made for her. Yeah, which I thought was kind of fun. It's got little buttons on it and stuff. I thought it was fun to make. Anyway, that's her new outfit. And then, see, I also got this doll restored. Now, she is another Sweet Sue, a 23-inch Sweet Sue. And I was able to, she's a plastic one, and I was able to get her restored, and I put a red wig on her this time. And then, of course, I made her this little outfit, and this is fun. I got to show you her unders, her foundation, because it's kind of cute. Okay, so I made her this little slip. It's kind of fun. And then she also has little drawers underneath there. Of course, all my girls have drawers. So those are her little drawers. With, of course, rumba bums. So that's her little new slip. Yeah, and I was able to restore her. She came out quite nicely. She was not in near as bad a shape as my first Sweet Sue. So I didn't do the whole restoration video on her because she didn't need near as much done to her. So it wasn't as thrilling, I guess, of a redo. It's kind of fun making her little clothes. Then I have a couple other dolls to show you. And I thought I'd go through. Let's put her down. And I also just recently acquired this beautiful composition doll. Isn't she a beauty? Now, I haven't done any restoration work on her yet. She's quite good shape. The only thing is, as you can see on her arm, the paint's peeling off there. And on her other arm. And I'm probably just going to have to go ahead and scrub that off. Yeah. And she's missing a booty. Sadly, she came missing a booty. But she's still got the blush on her legs and on her elbows and cheeks and everything. She's got a mohair wig, which is kind of crumbly, so I'm going to have to take that off and put a new wig on her, a new mohair. And then she has a sign on the back of her, and I can't tell if it says EIH Co or if it's something else. I want to believe it's EIH Co because that's easy to find out. That's American character, the early American character. And so that would be nice, but it does say circa 1923. I'm going to show it there for any of you doll aficionados that can perhaps see what that is. It's hard to tell in the light, and I can't quite make it out what it is. Anyway, if anybody can tell what that maker's mark is, I'd sure appreciate it. So this is my next project to restore. She is, I think, a 24-inch doll. I want to say she's 24. And I honestly can't remember now that I think about it. Let's see. Oh, 25. Yeah, she's a 25 or 26-inch doll. She is stuffed, so she has a head plate. But she came with this adorable original outfit, and I'm just gonna soak it and clean it and then use the same outfit rather than make her a new one because it's so cute. The little dress is attached to panties, and yeah, she's a cloth doll underneath. She has a crier. It kind of works. I don't know. It worked once. Anyway, her eyes are really pretty little glass eyes, and they mostly work. Come on, open them back up. There we go. But I think she's such a beautiful little doll and in such good condition. I'm so excited to get her. Anyway, this is my latest little restoration project, and we'll see how that goes. I know that taking the paint off of her arms, see, it's just coming right off. But I know that taking that off is going to remove that blush, and that kind of makes me sad. But yeah, I'll see if there's anything else to be done with it though, because quite frankly, it's coming off. It's just peeling off. Yeah. See, look at the paint's just coming right off. Anyway, oh, it's all over me. That's my latest goals. I am getting some of my sewing machine parts and stuff out of my closet so that I can put my beading things in there. So this whole room is like, it's a crazy mess right now. I have not gotten much done. Sorry. I haven't finished with the Sew With Me, the Loli dolls, or the 12-inch Shirley Temple pattern Sew With Me, and I've really got to do that. That's my other highest priority. I am almost done with it. I just have so much a little bit left to go. Anyway, so I'm pretty excited about finishing that up, and I'll have the pattern out for that too on my Etsy. Again, like I did with the last one for $5. I've almost reached 2,000 subs, and because of that, I'm going to do a giveaway. I haven't decided what kind, if it should be a Loli or the little Blythe. I know I've got a Blythe doll that I want to do as a giveaway, and I've got a Loli doll for a giveaway, and some other dolls. So you guys put in the comments below what you would like to see as a giveaway. I have yeah, I was watching these hoarder shows lately. One of them is Curiosity Inc., and he goes in and cleans out these hoarder houses. And then I was watching another one about hoarding anyway, and I was like, oh, I cannot be a hoarder, so I've got to get some of this stuff out of here so I don't feel like a hoarder. That is happening. So yeah, you guys tell me, what kind of doll would you like to see as one of my giveaways? Because it's happening. Yep, it's happening. Oh boy, got too much crap going all over me. I hope you're all well, doing fine, feeling good, healthy, had great, happy holidays. I sure hope you had a good one. Back on track and getting stuff going. Never know what you're gonna find. We've got some great new dolls and patterns, Sew With Me. And believe it or not, I have a few things from a few videos left over from AliExpress, which I never did post, which I suppose I should post eventually. If you guys are interested in that, I'll put that up too. I am not buying much anymore from AliExpress, I will tell you that. In fact, I haven't bought anything for a while from AliExpress, and I won't be in the future. I just don't feel like that's a good idea, and so I'm not going to do it. But I will continue on with renovating dolls and sewing for dolls and showing you my collection from time to time. And I hope that's enough that you're interested in staying and remaining here at Carol's Current Obsession. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. Take care. I love you all. Miss you. Bye-bye. Here we have Mando, the Egyptian Mao, taking over the photo session. couple of her dolls,